Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can add a link in any WordPress website image. Here you can see this is a WordPress website that has various images and content.